welcome back to another video. Today's video, it's get ready with me and let's shop at Target. I have some things that I have to get in Target, so let's get started with my makeup. The thing that I use for my makeup, it's something simple. Let me get the stuff. The face primer I use is e.l.f. This is drugstore items. Everything that I have is drugstore. It's not high brand. The high brands that I have purchased, I had a skin allergy, so I had to see which kind of makeup of high brand I had to purchase. But for now, this is the primer I use, e.l.f., and it's really good. It have helped my skin. I haven't got no allergic reaction to it. So we're gonna do it this quick. So the next thing, do my foundation, and it's the Revlon. What I use is, well, that's why we're going to Target to purchase some more because I'm running out. But anywho, gotta get that whatever is left. Eyeliner I use is Almay, the liquid eyeliner. And for mascara, I use the Maybelline, the Classic Volume Express in dark black. I get the color black. And this, it's good. I do have like other mascaras, but they smear. So by the end of the day, they smear. But this actually works for 24 hours and it doesn't smear down here. So it's good. I'm gonna do my eyebrows. The eyebrows things that I use is the Milani in color natural, and it's Stay Put Brow color is number 2. What I use also is the e.l.f. I use for concealer and to shade my eyebrows. As well, you have this, but I use the e.l.f., which e.l.f. is good products and it's cheap too. This is my OOTD. What I'm wearing is Target t-shirt. It was $8. And some capris. These were from Ross. And my Converse that matches the shirt. So they're burgundy. So you can see they're burgundy. And I got them for like 10 or 12 bucks. And Sophia over here, it's wearing Peppa Pig from Target, shorts from Target, the shoes are from Reebok store, and her little purse. Okay guys, we're here in Target. Yay! Yay. So we're here in the parking lot. Sophia's gonna take her little purse and her little face. Are you excited, Sophia, to go to Target?
Yeah.
Yes. Target.
Target?
Yes, Target. We're gonna see what we find, and we're gonna get some things that we need in the house, and let's see what's some clearance or the dollar aisle. Hey guys, we're back in the car. I couldn't record inside Target because there were so many people. It was so packed that Sophia was whining and that she wanted to leave. But as you can see, she got a little toy. Let's see. I got her is from the dollar area. So I got her the LOL Surprise. The LOL Surprise, it comes with a book to color, some markers, and some stickers. So some markers, stickers, and to color. And this only costs $1. It always shows in the bottom. And I'm actually excited for her to color, and she loves stickers. I want to get her a booklet of nothing but stickers. She's obsessed with stickers,
She got obsessed with stickers because she was in therapy, and every day they were always giving her stickers for doing so good. So that's why she fell in love with stickers. Show y'all what I also got. So for Sophia, I got her a shirt from Cat and Jack. This was $4.50, and it's like a pink with blue hearts, and it's a color like bright pink. And this is the back, and it's actually good. And for me, I got 2 tank tops. This is a universal thread. It cost $8, but right now there's a promo that you buy one and get the other one half off. And I didn't know that till I checked out, but that's a great deal since I wanted to. And this is the tank top that I got, and it's great for summer, and I really like this one. And the other one, it's like navy blue. It's also cute, and I got an extra small because small runs big on me. It depends on the store or the brand. And it's just plain navy blue. It looks nice. And also I got, well, not a lot, I didn't get a lot, but I got cups for the house. I got pink as my favorite color, so it's his and hers. The kids already got cups, so I got a cup for myself. And these were, let me check how much they were. I think they were, let's see, 79 cents. It's microwave safe and dishwasher safe. So for 79 cents, a good deal. And I think that's about it that I got. Oh, one second. Oh, I also got the kids from the dollar. I also got the kids from the dollar area some toys. I got them some airplanes, and this one is the jet launcher. One jet and one launcher. It flies up to 20 feet. So this is how it looks like. I got Sophia and Josh one because I know Sophia always wants what Josh gets, even if it's cars. So I just got them. And this is for Josh, it's blue, and for Sophia it's pink. So it's a good deal. And this one, these were like $3. Got a candle. Found one that I really liked. It's called Rose Petal. It's sugared vanilla rosewood. This is how it looks. And this is how small it is. But it's not that small. It's like medium size. And there was another one that was like large. And I got this one. This one was, I think it was $5.99. But the thing that I don't like is opening it. Since I can't open it. There you go. It was hard. But it smells so good, and this is how it looks in the inside. It's just plain white. If y'all like this video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe so you won't miss another video. Click that notification button on so you can see us next time. Well, until next time, bye.